In the heart of Asia, a new revolution is unfolding, one that's not made of smoke and steel, but of silicon, AI algorithms, and futuristic dreams that feel like scenes from a sci-fi movie. China's next big innovation hub has arrived, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about technology, infrastructure, and the pace of human advancement. This isn't just another city being built, it's an ecosystem. A living, breathing organism where artificial intelligence, robotics, green energy, and quantum computing are fusing into one unstoppable force. From the moment you step inside, you feel it: the hum of servers, the quiet whir of drones, and the glimmer of autonomous vehicles gliding down pristine roads. This is the future, and it's happening right now, in China. The government and private sectors have joined forces like never before, channeling billions into research centers, startups, and smart infrastructure. Imagine a place where every building communicates, every street light gathers data, and every system learns in real time. That's what's being built: a fully integrated innovation ecosystem designed not just to support human creativity but to amplify it. Inside the glass towers of this hub, developers are teaching AI to code itself, engineers are designing robots that can perform surgery with sub-millimeter precision, and scientists are running quantum computers that can solve problems impossible for traditional machines. It's not just about making faster processors or smarter phones, it's about changing how we live, work, and think. China's ambition here is simple: to lead the world in innovation, not by following, but by inventing the next era of civilization. The hub is more than a tech park, it's a prototype for the cities of tomorrow. Self-sustaining, data-driven, and powered by clean energy. Every rooftop glows with solar panels, every factory recycles its waste heat, and even the air quality is monitored and adjusted by AI-driven purification systems. What makes this hub even more astonishing is its scale and speed. In just a few years, entire districts have risen from empty land, complete with AI-controlled logistics, 5G-connected homes, and robotic transport networks. Delivery drones crisscross the skies, while underground, autonomous shuttles move materials from one smart factory to another with no human oversight. The innovation hub is not only producing technology, it's nurturing it. Thousands of startups are being incubated here, funded by both state and global investors who see China as the new frontier of innovation. Many of the brightest minds from around the world are relocating here, drawn by cutting-edge labs, tax incentives, and the sheer momentum of progress. But what's truly fascinating is how this hub blends technology with sustainability. While most innovation centers around the world focus purely on profit and production, China's model fuses environmental care with industrial power. Vertical forests absorb carbon dioxide, smart water systems recycle every drop, and AI models manage citywide energy efficiency down to the minute. At night, the skyline glows with neon reflections of what's to come: a world led by ideas, not boundaries. Holographic advertisements shimmer across entire buildings, while citizens use AI-powered glasses to navigate the city, translate languages, or interact with real-time digital assistants. It's a glimpse of a hyper-connected society where the digital and physical worlds coexist seamlessly. Education and research play a central role here too. Universities within the hub are partnering with global institutions to push boundaries in everything from biocomputing to neural networks. Labs are experimenting with brain-computer interfaces, allowing humans to control machines using thought alone. Others are developing self-evolving robots capable of adapting to new environments without human intervention. It's no longer about catching up, it's about leading. Every new startup here feels like a spark in an accelerating storm of progress. The speed of development is so intense that even the concept of innovation is being redefined. Instead of creating something new every few years, they are building systems that continuously improve themselves: AI that evolves without pause, factories that reprogram overnight, and cities that learn from their residents in real time. China's innovation hub stands as proof that the country's vision for the future goes far beyond consumer electronics or industrial growth. It's about reshaping the very framework of civilization, creating intelligent societies that think, grow, and sustain themselves. This place is setting the foundation for the next global paradigm, one where innovation isn't just a department, but a way of life. It's where electric mobility, AI, robotics, and green power converge in perfect harmony. where startups don't just chase trends, they create them. Already, major breakthroughs have emerged from within this hub. AI-driven medical diagnostics are saving lives by detecting diseases before symptoms appear. Advanced materials developed here are lighter than aluminum but stronger than titanium. Quantum communication networks are redefining cybersecurity, creating links that can't be hacked by any known technology. Every corner of this hub breathes ambition. Robots roam public spaces as security units, solar pavements generate power with every footstep, and autonomous taxis whisper quietly through the streets. Even waste management is futuristic. Robotic arms sort recyclables while AI tracks the city's environmental footprint to ensure nothing goes to waste. The transformation is not only technological, it's cultural. In this hub, failure isn't punished, it's celebrated as part of the creative process. Entrepreneurs are encouraged to experiment, test, and iterate at lightning speed. There's a collective understanding that innovation isn't about perfection, it's about evolution. What's even more impressive is how this innovation hub is influencing the rest of the world. As global companies witness China's momentum, they are racing to collaborate, invest, and learn. It's no longer just Silicon Valley setting the trend, it's a new era where innovation centers emerge from the East, redefining what progress looks like in the 21st century. The hub itself is like a glimpse into the year 2050, where clean power, digital intelligence, and human creativity coexist in harmony. It's a living experiment proving that with the right vision, technology can serve humanity instead of overwhelming it. And the story is only beginning. With new expansions planned from AI-powered agriculture zones to quantum communication highways, this innovation hub will only grow in scope and influence. It's not a dream anymore. It's a reality built on determination, intelligence, and the relentless drive to lead the future. Every generation has its defining innovation center. In the past, it was Silicon Valley. Tomorrow, it might be Shenzhen, Beijing, or an entirely new smart district rising quietly under the Chinese sun. But one thing is certain: the next wave of global breakthroughs will come from here. The next generation of innovation doesn't wear a suit or work in a cubicle. It hums through fiber optics, glows on solar panels, and learns through neural networks. And it's happening now, right here, in China's next big innovation hub.